Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the exact Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This matters because similar icons can be pinned items. Right-click the icon to reveal actions and avoid deleting the wrong file. Once done, make sure the icon is not a folder or web link. Those behave differently. If you have limited permissions, sign into an account with admin rights. Otherwise, you may see restricted options. This immediate verification prevents accidental deletions and speeds the next step. You now remove the shortcut itself. Press Delete or right-click and choose Delete. This removes only the desktop link, not the application, which is why you should not uninstall Chrome unless you want it gone. Once deleted, empty Recycle bin if you want permanent removal, but keep it if you want quick recovery. If the delete option is missing, check the shortcut properties to ensure it's a LNK file and not a web shortcut. This keeps the program intact while clearing your desktop. Finish by handling edge cases. If delete is grayed out, open File Explorer as administrator or change file permissions through properties so you can remove the file. Once done, unpin any taskbar icons separately with right-click Unpin from taskbar, because desktop deletion doesn't affect pins. If you accidentally removed the shortcut, open Recycle bin and restore it immediately. For persistent reappearing icons, check Startup folders and Chrome settings that recreate shortcuts. Then delete those originating files to stop the shortcut from returning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.